welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new year. It is 2018, a new year, new beginnings, new chances. So today I have for you guys a unboxing of my iPhone 8 Plus, and I'm sorry the video is a little all over the place. The phone was shipped to my mother's house, and my siblings are there, and they're just noisy. Like they're loud. They're just loud. And originally I was going to wait until I got home, and then I couldn't wait, so I filmed it there, and then I was going to do a voiceover over top of it. You can even hear me in the video saying, oh, I'm just gonna do a voiceover for it, but I just didn't because I wanted you guys to really get a feel of like a first impressions of me opening up the phone. So I didn't cut out anything. I was going to originally also set it up on camera, but it was just too much going on. So you do see me unbox it. You do see me give you a side-by-side comparison of my iPhone 7 Plus and my iPhone 8 Plus. I've had an iPhone since the 4. I had a black iPhone 4 and a black iPhone 5, and then when my iPhone 5 went out, I got a gold iPhone 6 Plus, which had the white front, and I also after that got a rose gold iPhone 7 Plus, which also had the white front. So I thought I would go with the space gray because I missed the black front. It just looks so nice. I do have my phone here now, and this is what it looks like. Have my pop socket on the back, and this is actually an iPhone 7 Plus case, and you can see that the dimensions are a little off because the Apple is kind of sitting down here. But if you do have an iPhone 7 Plus and you're thinking about switching to the iPhone 8 Plus and you're worried about getting new cases in and everything, it'll be okay. It'll still fit. It still fits like a glove. So you'll definitely be fine. I love this phone. The reason I went from an iPhone 7 Plus to an iPhone 8 Plus because my 7 Plus was just going slower, and I just thought it was time for something new. I didn't really want to deal with it anymore. I didn't want to buy a new battery, and it was time for me to upgrade anyway. So I got this watch, which is the Apple Watch Series 3, and added on a line for that. I have the GPS and cellular, and if you didn't see my Apple Watch unboxing, go check that out. I have that linked for you guys. So I got both of these, and it was just time for something new. So I'm excited about my purchases. I'm excited for you guys to see me unbox it. Again, I'm sorry it's kind of all over the place, and yeah, but hopefully you enjoy the commentary and you enjoy the video. Spam me with lots of comments. I appreciate you guys' comments, and thanks for coming back and watching me and just being a part of my channel. Like, I really appreciate it. Like, I was so unmotivated to make videos in December. It's like I said, I got into a car accident, and then I had gotten the flu, and I was just like, I'm not gonna sit here in front of you guys and act like I'm okay. I looked a hot mess, and it just was not okay. So I'm back and I'm better. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Leave me video suggestions, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Oh, they cute. They's cute. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's beautiful.
Are you gonna film both of them?
No, you can unbox yours if you want to.
It's the iPhone 8 Plus. iPhone 8.
Yep. Plus. Oh, it's beautiful. That is so beautiful. I just have to do a voiceover for this. Why they do that? That's so disrespectful. They're just going out with the phone on top. They didn't even jit me for my stickers, did they? Oh boy!
That's your new phone? Oh, yay. That's